Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Macro Managed Atuo-block, I'm going to show you how to use the closed caption real-time macro to block other captions from appearing on the caption screen. This will ensure that only the captions that you are transmitting can appear on the caption screen you're communicating with. In the previous videos, in my user settings, real-time, closed caption output format, I've had Atuo-block turned on, which means that as soon as I began transmitting my real-time output, block mode would automatically turn on for me and prevent other captions from entering the caption screen. However, in this example, I'm going to turn that off and we're going to execute block mode manually. I'm going to press OK, and after turning Atuo-block off, I'm going to add the macro to my dictionary. To do that, I'm going to go to my user settings, to the Edit tab, to the Macros button, and in the macro list, I will find CC:RT-block. And you see that it is listed as standard keystroke F6. To add a dictionary entry for this macro, I can click on it and click Edit or double click, and then click the dictionary entry button. In this window, I can select the steno that I want to use to execute the macro. If you're a voice writer, you can use voice steno to execute this macro as well. I'm going to use the steno block with an asterisk and press OK, and OK, and OK to enter that into my main dictionary. If I open my main dictionary and search for the word block, you see that I have the macro there with the steno that I just associated with it. If I search for blank, you see that I also still have blank and pass set up in my dictionary. And so what I'm going to do is begin captioning. And in order to use block mode, I'm first going to blank my screen and enter pass-through mode so that other captions can enter the screen. And then I can turn on block mode and begin captioning again. So I'm going to begin a translation. And you see that as per my settings, I've started automatically in block mode, and so I can begin writing. So after the sentence, I'm first going to hit my blank and pass stroke, which has blanked my screen and entered into pass-through mode. This means that other captions, either from other captioners or from pre-captioned content like commercials, can enter and pass through into the captioning encoder. As soon as I'm ready to begin captioning again, I can hit my block stroke to turn block mode back on, and block mode is re-enabled, and my captions will begin coming up on the closed caption output again. I'm going to continue writing, and we will do the same thing at the end of this sentence. First, I'm going to blank and pass, and once I've allowed other captions to go through for the prescribed time or for the prescribed amount of content, I can enter my block stroke, and you see that block mode is re-enabled. And you see that these macros show up in my macro color in my steno note bar. As I continue writing, my captions show up in the closed caption preview window until I blank and block again. And again, you see that this shows up in my steno notes. Once more, I've blanked and passed. As soon as I'm ready to pick up captioning again on this program, I can enter my block stroke, and my captions are ready to transmit once more. The blank and pass macro and block macro work easily and well together, and if you frequently find yourself captioning broadcast work that requires that you allow or disallow other captions to enter the captioning encoder frequently, it will be a good idea to ensure that both of these macros are in your dictionary and that you've practiced using them. There may be times when using Atuo-block is appropriate, but for the times when it's not, the block macro is ready and available to be used. It's built into the captioning settings of Eclipse, along with the rest of the closed captioning real-time macros. No special settings import is required to access these macros, and you can find them all under Settings, Edit, Macros. In this example, we used CCRT blank and pass and CCRT block. The way that you use block and auto block may depend on the type of work that you do, along with the type of clients that you work for. But no matter what type of work you need to do, Eclipse provides all the tools that you need to get it done quickly and accurately. Thank you so much for watching this video. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@AccupCap.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. If you know someone who you think would enjoy our channel, please share it. Thanks so much and have a great day.